guys, I hope you're doing good. So today's word is going to be book. So book in Hindi is known as kitab. So repeat with me guys, book in Hindi is known as kitab. Today I have a very good product and it's a very pocket friendly. Like, you are going to just love it and be thankful to me, because I'm going to definitely share my skin secret with you all today. So yes, moving on to the product. Today's product is this Dhatri's Kasturi Manjal powder. This is Kasturi Manjal powder. Recently I went to one shop and this product was lying somewhere on the top and I was like, what is this? That lady told me this that this is Kasturi Manjal powder and this is used as a face brightening pack. So I was like, okay, give it to me, I shall give a try to this. And I bought this, and after using this I have, like, my skin is like glowing so much and so nice, touch wood, touch gold, that I just can't tell you how much I am in love with this product. So I was like, yes, I have to tell you guys that what exactly this product is. Now this product name is Dhatri Kasturi Manjal powder. It's basically wild haldi powder, wild turmeric, and the packaging is somewhere like this. It's a nice plastic tub with a yellow color cap, and this product is just only of 30 rupees, and for 30 rupees you get 50 grams. So like 30 rupees for 50 grams is really very good. It will last you for a very long period of time, because you need to just use it like twice a week or once in a week, and your skin will be amazingly healthy. I'll just read what it is exactly. Kasturi Manjal powder has long been used for improving skin fairness and glow. It helps to prevent pimples and reduce hyperpigmentation. It also provides antioxidant benefits and help to treat common skin infection. So in this ingredient, ingredients in this is only Kasturi Manjal, which is also known as Curcuma aromatica RJDR. Only this thing is present, nothing else is inside this. 100% Kasturi Manjal powder is here in this. Now indications says that it improves skin color, treats pimples and hyperpigmentation. Usually apply it at night time. So like every Sunday I use this, and before sleeping I just apply it on my face, and then I just wash it off, and I don't apply anything on my face. I just do my normal night skin care routine and then I just sleep, and morning I definitely get a fresh and a very beautiful face, beautiful skin rather I should say. And it smells like haldi, wild haldi I can say, because it doesn't smell like normal haldi. It smells like haldi but not exactly normal haldi. And apart from that, it has given this date, like manufacturing and expiry date, which is a good point. And apart from that, it states how to store it. Store in a cool and a dry place, protect from direct sunlight and moisture. Keep the bottle tightly closed after every use. Avoid spillage of water into this, definitely, because this will then get all that fungus, and also it's very important to protect this tub from water and all that stuff. Store it in a cool dry place. Usage pattern, I'll show you how to use it I'll just insert a demo and I'll show it to you how to use this powder as well. So yes, just first we'll see how to use this. Okay guys, you saw how to use this. It was like a normal face pack. You need to use it like a normal face pack. So precautions while using this, it's written, while applying Kastura Manjal on skin, it is normal to feel a burning sensation. This can be reduced by preparing the paste with coconut oil, tomato juice, coconut milk or cow milk instead of water. Now when I was using this, I felt little bit of tingling effect, but that is okay. That's why I added little bit of coconut oil to it. It really helped me to avoid that tingling effect and that burning sensation on my skin. And moving on to the indications which they said, yes, it improves the color of the skin. Yes, it brightens up the skin. It removes the tan. It helps you to prevent pimples. Yes, it does all this work. And apart from that, it says hyperpigmentation. So I have no pigmentations problem, so I cannot promise you for that. But rest of the stuff like brightening your skin, giving a nice fairness, lightening up and removing tan and removing pimples, yes, this product does all this work. Why? Because it is a wild turmeric, and turmeric is antiseptic thing. It prevents pimple and reduce pimples, and it will stop new pimples like coming in. So this will definitely help you in that, and this absolutely evens out the skin tone. You can go and check out my previous video, and you can check out this video. You will see hell lot of difference on my skin before makeup as well. So this has definitely improved my skin. And the best part guys, it is only of 30 rupees. What else you want in 30 rupees? These days you get so expensive face packs, so expensive skin treatments, and no guarantee that whether they will work or not. But this is Ayurvedic, and this product will definitely work onto your skin, I promise you that. But you need to follow the indication. If you have dry skin, you can add curd to this, lemon juice, and if you have oily skin, you should add milk and honey. And if you have normal skin, then you can add a rose water to it, and you are good to go. And if you feel like just do a testing, if you feel the tingling or burning effect, then you should add little bit of coconut oil or olive oil to it, or almond oil. This will reduce the burning sensation. Rest, only one negative point about this is that it stains your face. Yes, it makes you like yellow color. So best time to use this face pack is before sleeping. Now, and apart from that, I just can say this guys, use this, try this on my recommendation. You will definitely love this product, and you will definitely enjoy this. And please इसकी आप addiction मत लीजिएगा, I mean आप इसको addict मत हो जाइएगा, because ये बहुत अच्छे results देता है. तो आपको लगेगा कि क्यों ना मैं इसको रोज लगा लूँ. प्लीज ऐसा मत करिएगा. आप इसे हफ्ते में 1 या 2 बार ही यूज कीजिएगा. Like you can use it on Saturday, or else you can like make days like Wednesday आप यूज करें, या Tuesday आप यूज करें, and Saturday आप यूज करें. बट प्लीज इसे रोज यूज ना करें. मुझे नहीं पता रोज यूज करने से क्या होगा, बट मैं कह रही हूँ रोज यूज ना करें. आप इसे लाइक हफ्ते में 2 बार या 1 बार यूज करें. आपको डेफिनेटली रिजल्ट मिलेगा आपके फेस में. एंड ये सीरियसली लाइटन अप करता है. हल्दी तो वैसे भी हम यूज करते ही है. कोई भी फेस पैक में वी एड लिटिल बिट ऑफ टर्मरिक टू एवरी फेस पैक. लाइक whichever face pack I am using, I definitely homemade face pack especially, I drop a pinch of haldi to it and then I use it. So this is complete wild haldi. आपको एक बार यूज करने से इसका थोड़ा रिजल्ट मिलेगा, बट आपको इसको रेगुलरली यूज करना होगा. ये नहीं कि बस आपने आज यूज किया और कल आप चाहते हो कि मैं बिल्कुल बहुत गोरी हो जाऊं. ऐसा नहीं होगा. आपको इसे 15 दिन ट्राई करना पड़ेगा, एंड आफ्टर 15 days you will get awesome skin. And yes, what else you want in just 30 rupees guys. So do try this and let me know how it was. And I'll leave the link where you can find this. I think you will find this on Amazon, and I'll see where else we can find this. So yes, I'll see you in my next video guys. I hope you all enjoyed watching it. If you liked it, then just give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. It will really mean a lot to me guys. And if you have any further requests regarding any video you want to see, just do let me know on the comment section. I I love to do it. And yes guys, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye. Good luck.